Alright guys, so today I'm going to be recovering my Vstrom seat. I found this seat cover online. Actually come from Canada. Now I just cannot remember the name of the company, but I seen it popped up. It said $75. By the time I got it to Australia, converted to Australian dollars, it was $135, which is still cheap. Cheaper than anything on eBay. It's made out of marine vinyl. It's not a flash looking one, but it's going to be a hell of a lot better than mine. You can see on mine it's all worn through. It's really slippery. Alright, so I'm going to leave this in the sun, let it get all nice and stretchy. So first thing I'm going to do is pull out all the staples. I've popped a few already. Where was I? So just got to go around, pop them, and then I'll get the pliers, pull them out. Alright, so I got all the staples out. See how the old one's a bit worn. It's really slippery when you got Kajura like type pants on. I reckon that'll do. Let's have a look at it on the bike. Alright, so that is that. I probably could have got a little bit tighter, but it'll do. It's a hell of a lot better than the other one. Alright, I think I better give my bike a wash. Alright guys, that's it. Over and out.